Hey there, welcome back to Blender. In this lecture, we'll be learning about edge loop selection. So what is edge loop selection? What it basically does is select objects in loop. Let us imagine these segments as loops. You see these horizontal segments and these vertical segments. Let us imagine them as loops. Now if I view from this angle, suppose I want to select this circular loop. So by the method which we know now, we'll right click on this segment and while keeping the shift key pressed, we will select each one of them. You see, this is quite time consuming. So to make our work easier, we'll use edge loop selection. What it does is, it will select the entire loop at once. To do this, press the Alt key on the keyboard and right click on the loop that you want to select. You see, this is how we selected the entire loop at once. Now, clicking on this part will select the horizontal loop, and clicking on this vertical edges will select the vertical loop. Again press Alt and right click on this edge. This selects the vertical loop. Let us try this with face selection. We'll take face selection, and in face selection, clicking above or below the dot will select the vertical loop, and clicking sidewards of the dot will select the horizontal loop. Now to make multiple loop selections, all you have to do is keep the Alt key pressed. Now press the Shift key followed by right mouse clicks. You see, it's quite easy. The only thing that you need to be careful of is where you are clicking. If you click above or below, you will be selecting the vertical loop, and clicking sidewards will select the horizontal loop. Now let us try with edge loop selection. We will again press the Alt key and right click on this edge. This selects the entire this edge segment of the sphere. Now to select multiple edge segments, we will again press Alt followed by Shift and right click. Easy, isn't it?